Welcome back to channel. The iPad mini 7 has been the subject of numerous leaks and rumors, creating excitement among fans of Apple's smallest tablet. It's Apple season again, and today we're diving into one of the most anticipated gadgets of the year, the iPad mini 7. That's right, after months of rumors, leaks, and speculation, the mini is back and Apple might just drop an event before the hype train fully leaves the station. Let me hit you with the 5 things you need to know about the iPad mini 7. Let's go! Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Looking for a way to stay secure online? Try CyberGhost VPN. With over 9,000 servers worldwide, it offers lightning-fast connections and top-tier encryption to protect your privacy. Plus, you can unlock streaming content from anywhere. Use my link to get it now with 83% off and 2 months free with a 2-year plan. CyberGhost, the perfect VPN for your digital freedom. Apple is sticking with the design of the iPad mini 6, which means you can expect a similar look and feel. The sleek premium chassis that many users have praised will remain, with a weight of around 0.65 ounces. The magnetic edge for the Apple Pencil will also be back, which makes the mini a perfect tool for sketching, note-taking, and casual browsing. While some may have hoped for a foldable screen, the iPad mini 7 will keep the more traditional design that Apple perfected with its predecessor. One of the biggest complaints about the iPad mini 6 was the screen's jelly scroll issue, or one side of the screen lags slightly when scrolling quickly. Apple is expected to fix this in the iPad mini 7 by using a new display controller. However, the display technology itself will likely remain the same, with the mini 7 sporting an 8.3-inch liquid retina display and a resolution of 2,266 by 1,488 pixels. Unfortunately, for those holding out hope for an OLED screen, it seems you'll have to wait a few more years, as Apple is likely reserving this technology for its high-end iPads. Multitask enthusiasts will be happy to hear that Apple may increase the RAM in the iPad mini 7 from 4GB to 8GB. This would allow for smoother multitasking and handling of memory-intensive apps. Additionally, rumors suggest a potential increase in the base storage capacity to 128GB. With growing demands for more storage due to apps, media, and files, this would be a welcome update. It's a significant step up from the 64GB base model of the iPad mini 6 and would align with Apple's trend of increasing storage across its devices. This is where things get a little murky. While some leaks suggest that the iPad mini 7 will feature the A16 Bionic chip, others argue that it might receive the more powerful A17. The A16, currently in the iPhone 14 Pro, is a solid upgrade, offering excellent performance for gaming, creative work, and everyday tasks. However, some industry insiders are betting on the A17, given Apple's growing focus on AI and future-proofing its devices for machine learning tasks. A17 would bring more power, especially in handling AI-driven applications, so this is definitely one rumor to keep an eye on. Pricing for the iPad mini 7 is expected to remain at $499, the same starting price as the iPad mini 6. Apple has a history of maintaining pricing with incremental upgrades, and it looks like the Mini 7 will follow this trend. This makes it a good value given the performance upgrades it will likely receive. With rising costs and tech, keeping the price steady is a big win for Apple fans. The iPad mini 7 promises some exciting upgrades while sticking to what works. From improved RAM and storage to fixing the annoying jelly scroll, Apple is refining its smallest tablet without pushing the price too high. Although the lack of an OLED display or foldable design might disappoint some, the expected processor upgrade and smoother screen performance make the iPad mini 7 worth the wait. Stay tuned for an official announcement and hold off on purchasing the iPad mini 6 if you're considering it. There's a good chance this new model will be available by the end of the year. Peace out.